Okay, we're dyeing Easter eggs. Easter 2014, okay? Okay, look, hold on, gotta do it gently. Come here, ready? Put it in, put it in, put it in. Good job! Careful, ew. Ew.
That one?
Hold on. Okay.
That one?
Alright, we're gonna do that one in a second. Mama's gotta clean up the dye that just spilled all over the floor. Okay, ready? Okay, ready? Here's your eggie. Okay, where are we gonna put it? Where should we put it? Okay, this is blue. See blue? Look, ready?
Oh, wait, that one?
Yay!
That one?
This one? Okay, here. You can put them right here. Okay. Ready? Ready? This is orange. Orange, ready? Look at orange. Look. How many eggies do we have? How many?
1, 2.
How many? Count them all. How many?
That one.
Okay. This one? Okay. Okay, I'm gonna put it in. You ready?
That one. That one.
Wanna do another one?
That one.
Which one?
That one. That one.
In this one?
That one.
In this one? Okay. Okay, come here.